Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. So in today's video, I'm going to test this pantyhose. Recently, I purchased it and I'm very interested to try it out. Is that the really magic pantyhose just like the picture? So if you have loose fat, does the pantyhose tighten your legs? Just like the picture shows. Wow, is that true? So they have different colors like nude and black. The one I got is sheer. It's very thin, good for summer. So the material is not like the normal pantyhose. It actually feels thicker. It feels thicker than the normal pantyhose. Stretchy. See the stretchiness. Can you see this? It has a very tiny fishnet, and the material is thicker around the hip, and the waistline is made of elastic. Look, this is the material. So the next thing, I will only try one neck. I will see if this really makes difference. I will show you guys the differences a little bit. See the differences? It does make my leg look lighter and smoother. Let me use the measurement to test it. Here it's got loose skin. Here is very tight. And you can feel it. And here it's very loose skin. 1825. This one. Oh! 1975. It does tighten your loose fat. So maybe it's hard to see from the front. It does tighten your leg. And it makes the skin looks pretty good. The next thing, I'm going to try both on. Another thing I need to show you guys. So this is all the way to your stomach. Also tighten your stomach. It's also tighten your hips, especially this part. I have loose skin and it makes your fat tighter and makes the shape look better. If without this, the little bit loose fat like right here, if I pull it up and it's got tighter, right? So it is pretty good. It's not just to tighten your legs and also around your hips and stomach. So the hip is 30, it's right here. This part is 35. Okay, I don't have the pantyhose right now. And then we test the hip part. Wow, it's 31. It was 30, right? 31. And let's test the widest part. Right now is 34. Wow, this is also one of my favorite outfits. So the stockings does work, but the result is not significant like the picture. Maybe the result looks different, depends on how loose is your skin. But for me, it doesn't really work on my cuff. It works around my thigh, especially around my hips and my bottom. Because I'm getting older, so I have loose skin around my hips and my bottom is also getting loose. The stocking does help make it shape better. Material actually doesn't feel soft. When you touch it, it feels a little bit plastic compared to the normal pantyhose. I think this is because this one was not easy to rip type of pantyhose. It's perfect for actress and for modeling and also for photo shoot because you got look good in different angles. And this pantyhose does help this. The downside about this pantyhose, it is very hard to put it on. It took me a while to put it on, very tight. So for me, the size I got is large. Very tight. I'm considering to buy one more pair just in case this one worn out. Yes, I need to have at least one pair at home. Oh, even though it's very tight and very inconvenient when you put it on, but after I put it on, I don't feel it's tight around my neck. I feel it's pretty comfortable. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'm very satisfied with this product. It's interesting idea and it works, but it doesn't work on my cuff. Bye bye, I will see you in the next video soon.